Go to
You're used to TikTok for the wrong reasons. For the wrong reasons. Have you ever done it?
Never use TikTok for the good reasons.
You ever eat a Kit Kat? Hey? Ah, have you?
You ever choked on a marble?
You ever drowned in a puddle? You eat into a grasshopper?
You ever been raped by yourself?
I had to scream in the shower as you wash yourself in tears.
But those tears are not even water.
Those are male tears as the lady sucks.
Have you ever been sucked off by an iguana?
Watch out for the bite on the ball bag.
Bite on the ball bag.
Watch out for the bite on the ball bag.
Bite on the ball bag.
Check out my bite on the ball bag.
Bite on the ball bag.
Yeah.
Bite on the ball bag.
There's nothing I'm fixing to do, but I think you can get it.
Bite on
Anyway,
the
I'm
ball
sure
bag.
she's fine with it, man. It's good.
Bite on the ball bag.
How many more men you want to man before you call me running? How many more men you want to man before you call me a bit of
If you kill 5 monkeys, does it make you a serial murderer?
It makes you a sinner, it makes you a saint, it makes you a queen, it makes you a lake. Na 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 na.
That little ball bag.
Na 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 na.
You bit me in the ball bag.
No, me wanna. Na
Bit me in the
jiji
ball
walk.
bag.
Do the jiji walk. Walk like a gypsy walks. Do the jiji walk. Walk with my gypsy walks. Do the jiji walk. Walk gypsy walk.
Bit me in the ball bag.
Bit me in the ball bag, put it on my ball bag. Bit me in the ball bag, put me in the ball bag. What was you gonna do about my pranking? But the pranking being between me and another thing when I couldn't even find what it was. Because I was giving me the wild with the bad with the dad. Oh wow, my friend was the bad with the bad. Yeah, with the big toes on. Fucking in my balls like, you killing on my balls like, I'm killing on my balls like, what the fuck do you want, son?
That was a bit me in the ball bag.
Like glass,
Like the glass.
yeah, like the glass.